Okay, we are in Pasacao, a small little town on the coast of Camarines Sur. It is in the barangay, obviously Pasacao. And this is in the Bicol region. Now the Philippines is a very interesting place, especially when you go to the small little villages. I know there's no current in Pasacao at the moment. I see they've got no power. This is Pasacao. Many people don't know about this town. Hi, Boot. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. Thank you for the thumbs up. As you can see, it's getting busy now. Just a special thank you to Marius for buying me a coffee. Okay, just cross the road. Let's go to the other side. Yep, getting more busy now. Small coastal town in the Philippines. By no means a city. But I think we need to get ourselves something to drink. I've got some coins here with me. Ah, sorry, man. Ja nee, dat is glad nie skerp nie. Hier soos ek ander goed hy maak, dit is 'n eier met 'n deegie hoor. Nou ja, hy is nogals baie lekker. Ag jy nou wees. Dit is van hy koffie wat jy vir my gekoop het. Nou kan ek ietsie drink en dan gaan vir my 'n eier koop. Dit is hierdie goeders. Daai is 'n eier. Nee, allemaal gaan zien hoe hij net indrukken. Hij kan niet staan bij het duur niet. Beautiful. Can I get a Coke, please? Yes. Okay, and then I'll have 2 of the eggs, please. 2 of this.
Take out or dine in?
I'll sit here. Yeah. Thank you. Let me take this.
Lasa na lang ko ng tinamok yan, ano? Lasa.
Lasa na lang dama. Wow!
Isa yan.
Keep foreigner.
What's your name? Sir, what's your name?
Quentin. Quentin.
Quentin?
Yeah.
Quentin. Spelling Quentin?
Quentin.
Q? Quentin.
Quentin.
Yeah.
Similarity sa ano?
Hindi mo kaya yung
Kando-kando?
May Arab.
Page account. Sir, 110.
No, it's QMan33. QMAN 33. It's only on YouTube though. No Facebook.
YouTube?
Yeah.
You're registered in YouTube?
Yes, I don't do Facebook. Too much marites.
One.
No. It's go back.
Yes.
N.
M.
My Facebook name is different.
I can get 10.
Yeah.
Dito suko.
Yes, that's me.
Magkano ang hotdog? Magkano yung
Yeah.
Understand. Speak in English.
Yeah, she's very good. Very good.
Magkano ba ito?
Thank you very much. Thank you.
45.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Ja, nee, dat is wat je noemt straatchoppies. Thank you. Nee. Kom ons sit sommer net hierso. Hierdie is my spot waar ek gewoonlik staan en dan eet ek gou my eiers.
May nakukuha po si Jane Pugo. May available pa. Si Jane.
Check hierso. It's an egg with a dough around it.
Nakapalo
It's
ka
amazing.
Followers mo.
Ja, maar die snaakse nou is die bruiving is hier zoals baie anders. Very different. Maar check hierso. Egg with a dough. This is quite amazing. What's the name of this?
Bulastok.
Ah, booyah stock. Booyah stock. It's amazing. It's masarap. Then I can camera off myself to see everything. But I want to show people the Pasacao, the town. This is by our stock. That's quite good. Egg with a dough. And you pay 15 peso for one. 15 peso for one. So in South Africa money that is 4 rand, about 4 rand, yeah, 4 rand 50 about. Get you some of this, and it's good.
Subscribe ko na.
Oh, you mean Kuna, the foreigner? Kuna means foreigner in Bicoyano. Ja, verschrikkelijk, nee. Ik ben ook verschrikkelijk grijs. You getting gray? It's okay. What are you doing in Pasacao? Ah, very nice. Okay, we're gonna explore now. Thank you very much. Oh, masarap. Yes, but you can eat, man. Okay. Thank you very much, Marius, for the donation. You bought me egg and coke. And yeah, the food is very delicious. I enjoy the egg that they do with the dough around it. That's pretty amazing. I always come to this eatery there. Food is good. Dit is baie smaak, ja. En het maak jou nogals vol as jy 2 van die eiertjies eet. Dit is genoeg. Dit is genoeg, dit maak jou vol. It's more than enough. And it goes down well with a Coca-Cola. Thank you, Marius, again. Thank you. And thank you for the thumbs up. Brakpan bo, kyk hierdie kar. Thank you, Jose. Thank you very much. Much appreciated. Yeah, Australia is way different than here. You're not gonna see this in Australia. Hey, yo, Ozzy, how are you, my friend? Hey, how are you, my friend? Showing people some real authentic Philippines. Now, for those who don't know, this is a pedicab. You pay him and then you basically go on a ride and you give him like 10 peso or 15 peso depending on where you go, and he will take you. Okay, soon we're gonna enter the market. I want to show everybody how the market looks inside over there. There's controlled chaos. As you can see, there's wildness everywhere. If you don't know how to drive, don't drive here. I think they will ram you off the road. Okay, let's enter. Let's go towards the market. Also very interesting to see. And welcome to all the new viewers. if you want, you can share my stream on your Facebook or whatever you have on social. Okay, let's go to the market. That's in over there.
Wala natin ngayon, gabi. Wala natin ngayon.
Hi, sir.
How are you today?
Fine. Boy! Boy!
Oh, sorry.
Hey bro.
How are you?
Fine.
Hello.
Hey bro. Good afternoon bro. Hi bro.
Where Where is he? Hey, buddy. Kamusta? You good today?
How is your day?
Not bad, not bad. Busy. Mainit, but good. Ingat. Check this. There's coffee for 5 peso. Yo, I only had like this morning a cup of coffee. It wasn't the best one. Oh, Ozzy, there's a lot of dogs here. You haven't seen nothing yet. There's so many dogs here. That's incredible. They are all over the show. Perhaps we should get your own coffee. Now this is interesting. See, you put your coffee. This machine. Let's see. I've got 5 peso change here. I know I've got 5 peso change here. Oh, cats. Cats are everywhere also. You're gonna find cats, dogs, rats, anything. You're gonna find it here. They are everywhere. There is a thing that the municipality done that you cannot have your cats and stuff outside anymore. But then again, you know, people don't care about the rules here. They just do their own thing. Okay, so you put your 5 peso in there. You see this is 5 peso. Yeah, I have a coffee. There goes the cup. There we have it. Your own coffee. How are you, man? No. Yeah, I got my coffee.
No, thanks.
Thank you. I enjoy this one. It's easy. Yeah. Anyways, ingat, my friend. Ingat, if you go on my walk. I say, ingat. You see how nice is this? He just stopped to see if the machine actually gave me a coffee. Because sometimes what you do is when you put your money in, it doesn't always give you a coffee. So how nice is it of him to just come and, you know, just stop and ask if I managed to get my coffee. Very nice, very nice. Okay, let me show you some more. This is that building again. I will go to the right side now, show everybody the back streets of the town here. I always try to keep it clean, you know, people throw stuff everywhere, but I don't do that. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you so much for the thumbs up. Okay, let's continue our journey. Hey, good on you, man. Good on you. I stream. YouTube. YouTube. Yeah. Qman33. Yeah, Qman33. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Thank you. This is the bakery. Oh, let's get some saffron cake. Just some backstreet. How are you, my friend? Jy sien as jy kyk hierso en jy kyk in Suid-Afrika, groot verskil. Jy gaan dinge sien hierso wat jy nie daai kant van sien nie. Ek dink dit is strong ook. Jy gaan dit nooit daar kry nie. Hey, nice ride, eh? Here's not a dust. Oh, there's a dust. I don't want to contribute to the mess. Marius, when you went to Singapore, did you see anything like this there or not really? Ah, my friend, I won't come and have a coffee there in a short moment. My channel is on a kind of a cool down. That's why I'm not getting a lot of views. So I need to do more so that YouTube can basically uncool me. It's not a strike, but it's a yeah, it happens. I won't definitely come back to your coffee shop now. Hi Barry Cook, how are you, my friend? How are you today? Yeah, I don't know. I've never been to Singapore, but I would enjoy to go. Maybe it's the same as South Africa. Very modern cities, but once you go outside, yeah, it can be a mess. I actually need to make a video of Pasacao. I want to come do it soon. Ah, Melbourne, Australia. Very nice, my friend. Very nice. Way different than here where we are. Yeah, this is the Philippines. A small coastal town. Thank you for the thumbs up, everybody. Okay, let's go more up to the town so I can show all the Australians. Like the main street. Tomorrow I won't be going to the more Indian, like the mountainous villages again. It's very rare for me to be in the town. But I just want to get out of this strike that YouTube has got me on. Yeah, they're not sending me out for some reason. It's apparently a 5-day strike, so I don't know. 5 days, 4 days. Okay, this is for Barry. Yeah, how expensive was Singapore? For instance, how much is it to have like a meal, like dinner over there? The Philippines is really it's actually quite cheap. It's not expensive at all. But if you make peso, of course it can be expensive as well. But if you come with your doyer or your Australian doyer, whatever the case may be, I think it's very cheap there. I thought he's shooting at me. Someone there named, hey Q man, I don't know who it is, but they know me. Okay, let's go down here. Hey, how are you, Chris, my friend? How are you? Now, where in the USA are you? Where in the States are you watching from? Ah, thank you for subscribing, Chris. Much appreciated, my friend. Much appreciated. It's also good for my channel to get me off the strike thing that I've got going on. Ah, Georgia. Wow, how beautiful. I've done some Well, how can I say? I did you get some videos about Georgia. My one friend stays in Texas. He stays in Tyre, so and Chandler. So yeah, I was doing a lot of stuff looking at the USA. Ah, thank you, my friend. That's much appreciated. I would appreciate that so much. Have you ever visited the Philippines before, or not? Ava, I will remember that, my friend. Whenever I see a Ava, I would know it's from you. Thank you. Are you born and raised in the US or not? Ah, but you're probably gonna visit one day. I mean, if I ever go to the States, Georgia is definitely, yeah. If I go to the States, I definitely want to see Georgia. Beautiful nature over there. Ah, shop seems to be closing. What's the time now? It's probably 5. Ah, 5:30. Interesting. Now, how do you know Ava, my friend? And also, thank you for sharing my channel. That's very kind of you. Show you a bit of the chaos here. Ah, Ava Nation has a channel. Whenever I see her, I will definitely subscribe to her channel also. It's good to support one another. But thank you again, Chris, my friend. Thank you again. And thank you for watching. Hi Ava Nation, how are you? How are you? I did, Chris did send me a message to say that he's gonna send my channel to you. Thank you for being part of it. Oh yes, I'm sure, I'm very sure. I'm friends with everybody. If Ava does YouTube, I will definitely go on her channel also. And I will go support her. Oh, that's good, Ava. So where in the Philippines are you from? Chris says that you are in the Philippines. So yeah, where in the Philippines are you? Oh yes, this is the Philippines. I'm currently in Pasacao. Thank you for hitting the thumbs up, and also thank you for sharing my channel. Ah, I haven't been to Rizal. I actually want to go there one day. I definitely want to go there. You see, I go to the areas where most people don't go. So yeah, not everybody can see this. Yes, that's in Bikong. You are right. In Camarines Sur, in the province of Camarines Sur. Oh, that's fine, Chris, my friend. That's fine. So you've actually been to Camarines Sur before? You know, I enjoy Camarines Sur. I enjoy Bicuyanos. They are very friendly. Of course, not everybody, but for the most part, yeah, that's good. Ah, that's very cool. So he probably knows Bicon very good, of course. So he also speaks Bicuyano. You see, Eva, I usually go to the rural areas. I go to the villages that's like in the mountains and stuff. Today I'm in town, but for the most part I go where nobody else goes. It's more enjoyable for me. Yeah, I'm probably going to be on for another 30 minutes. Ah, thank you, Eva. It's very nice to be here. You've got a beautiful country. I enjoy it. And I will also be sure to follow your channel. Because I'll only be on for another 30 minutes maybe. Then I'll go off. Ah, no problem, no problem. What is your channel's name? Is it Ava Nation Official? Is that the name of your channel? Perhaps you can just comment on one of my videos or something, and then I'll just go onto your channel and I will watch your stuff and I'll support you back. I'm currently staying here, Eva. Yeah, I currently stay here. Been here for more than a year. Just me. Ah, thank you, Eva. It's much appreciated. It's a very new channel. I'm still growing it, but it's going good. I've got no complaints. Except for this story with YouTube where they have like a 4 days cool down on your channel, then they restrict your views. Otherwise than that, I'm good. No complaints. You see, I do travel sometimes over the Philippines. I go to other places. So, but this one is definitely up on my bucket list. I won't go there soon. Strangely odd how it gets busy at certain times. and then the town goes quiet instantly. That happens. That's quite normal. Some street food, oh yeah. Ah, Boracay. You know, the thing about that is I like to see places that nobody sees. Baguio, I want to visit Baguio definitely because the weather is good. It's not so hot. But Boracay, yeah, if I've got the opportunity, I would go. I'm sure we can. Me, Ava, and her husband can go for dinner. Oh yes, I think for foreigners it's nice to go to Boracay and stuff. But for me, I mean, I like to see the rural Philippines, the places that nobody visits. So that's for me. Ah, but the Bahamas are beautiful, Chris. Ah, so you want the daughter of Ava? Or do I have it wrong here? Is he still a kid? I'm sorry, I don't know. I wonder when the vendors are coming. Yeah, you see, Ava, for me the thing is that to go to a place where everybody goes and all the foreigners are there and it gets a bit busy, so I don't really so I don't really know if I can go there. Maybe if I go to Boracay, it would not be the tourist places. I won't probably go to the outskirts of Boracay, like into the province areas. That's more where I enjoy to be. Chris, I think I'm gonna probably watch some of Ava's YouTube videos, and if there's videos about her daughter, then I will know what to talk about. Oh, but thank you everybody for watching. Thank you. Ava, so in all of the Philippines, what do you suggest? Palawan, like El Nido, or Boracay? I mean, there's a lot of beautiful places. You can go to Sorsogon, Surigao. I mean, there's so many. I mean, there's over 7,000 islands here, so... Ava, I see Chris has got a lot of respect for you. That's very nice to hear. Okay, so both of them are good. I think Palawan is definitely up on one of my lists of places I want to see. In Camarines Sur, there's beautiful places like Albay, Sorsogon. I don't know if Sorsogon is in Camarines Sur though, but yeah. Beautiful. Even here in where I am, there's a beautiful places you can come to. It's really worth it to come and visit. But for me, this is beautiful. You get a beautiful nature at the back there. That's incredible. You're not gonna just see that anywhere. Yo, Chris, I think Ava can speak also. Yeah, there's sometimes on a bike here you can find like 5 people, even a baby on top of it. It's very funny. Ava, I've been to Manila, I've been to Tondo, I've seen Cavite, I've been to like BGC, Makati. I've seen all of those places, and yeah, way different than the provinces, I can tell you that much. But I do enjoy the province more, to be honest. Thank you for the thumbs up. I want to go to Pampanga still. I haven't been there. But yeah, I've been to Metro Manila. I've seen everything there. Pasay, Taguig. What is it? Other places? Tondo. Tondo was nice. Yeah, many beautiful things there. You know, the provinces is way more quiet except for the roosters. There's like 1,000 roosters in 2 houses, so that's the only noise you get in the province, is the rooster. But then again, it's okay. But if you go to like Makati, wow, 100% different than the rest of the Philippines. It's like, it's very clean, it's modern. Even the people are different there, you know, they don't walk and spit and do things. Oh yes, I've heard about that one. I don't know how to pronounce it. Secure Island, but I definitely want to see it. I've heard a lot of good things about it. I think the first island I'm going to visit now is... Oh, yes, what's the name? It's right across from the Roverio Island or something. I need to go there. White beach sand. Yeah. See, the thing is, Ava, to be honest, is that I don't like to go where the foreigners are because, you know, they can be obnoxious. Because mostly they think that they are rich, you know, and some of them can be very rude, so I prefer not to go where the tourists are. I prefer to go where nobody is. I want to see the Philippines. That's what I want to do. I don't want to go where all the foreigners are. It's not enjoyable for me. Oh, I need to get a paracetamol. I've got such a headache. Let me walk across. What the fuck is this guy doing? I don't understand. Yeah, up and down. Thank you, Ava. That's much appreciated. But I don't always do this type of lives. Most of the times I go into the mountains and I visit the villages and something. I show people the rural Philippines. This is just coincidence that I'm in the town today. But yeah, I'm on a strike on YouTube at the moment, so they don't give me a lot of view now. That's fine. It's not a strike. It's more like a cool down. They keep your channel hidden for like 3-4 days to see what you do, and then they push it out again. So yeah, it kind of sucks. Hey, kamusta Tito? I just need to get myself paracetamol. It's not really a strike, it's more like a cool down. So what happens is YouTube gives you, like, if you see my other lives, it goes to like 3K views in 1 hour, and then they keep it like that for a few days, and then after that you go into a cool down, and then YouTube is taking all your data. How are you? How are you? Yes, cool. Yes, please, thank you. And then what they do is they you get all your data, and they see what you do, if you're still active or not, and then they, like in 3-4 days, they push your channel out again for a few days. Thank you very much. So, Ingrid, So that's what happens, and it's a normal thing on YouTube. As your channel grows big, they stop doing it so much because you've got so much subscribers that they don't see it. Let me just turn this camera so I can explain it better. Okay, so once you reach a certain amount of stuff on YouTube, you will see that for about 4 days you can get a lot of views, it's going good, it's going well, and then all of a sudden the next day it's dead. Your channel is quiet. That is because YouTube keeps it hidden, and it's more of a thing about collecting data, and then they can see if you are active or not, and then they say, okay, this channel is worth it, and then they push you out again. So the next time they push you out again, let's say maybe tomorrow it's my turn again, they push your data out, then you get much more viewers than the time before. Then for a few days you get pushed out, they collect all the data, and then it can go quiet again for maybe 3 days. Even if your content is the same, even if it's good, that's unfortunate, but it happens. And then, yeah, the next push you get, they will send it to more people, a wider audience. So it's basically collecting data from your channel, and they send it out more and more and more. I mean, I've had a channel before did the same thing. So for instance, let's say you're a channel with 100k subscribers. Whenever your channel goes on a cooldown on your live streams, you're not gonna feel it that much. So let's say you get 10k views for the hour. When you're in cooldown, you might get 5,000 or 6,000. So because I'm still a small channel, I can feel it. Like this live stream I'm doing now, not gonna give me so much viewers, but I'm getting the watch time. That's what I need. And Ava, no, I'm not on the I'm not on monetization as we speak. I'm almost there. So yeah, it's all thank you to Jesus. He's been with me all the way on my journey. So yeah, that explains what happens on YouTube, Ava. So yeah, now you know. I'm gonna turn the camera again. Okay, I just had to explain that. And yeah, for a violation, I've never had a violation on my channel. I've been a good boy. See, the thing is, Eva, that I don't do bad things on it. So oh yeah, of course, YouTube can be very tricky. Sometimes they give you like now, my views on video 3 days ago, even if I did the same live stream like now, the views go skyrocket. But then they put you in this cool down situation. That's very annoying actually. Oh yes, Eva, that is very true. That is very true. It's very hard. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of live streaming and editing and doing so much things. I must admit, I haven't been putting out videos. There's a problem at the moment with my Wi-Fi, so yeah. But soon I won't be able to keep on going. I will just never stop. I mean, every week I see my channel grows more and more, so I'm happy about it. I just keep on going. I think Chris is off again. Yeah. Now, Ava, on your YouTube channel, are you monetized there? Oh, very nice, Eva. This channel of mine, I didn't do anything for many years. I had other channels before, so I decided to grow this one. I would say from about December, I've been very active on it again. I gained a lot of subscribers, I think like 600, and my watch time went up with like over 1,000 hours. So yeah, I'm happy, no complaints from me. But yeah, as you know, it's not easy to get monetized, but as soon as you get to that point, then it's good. then it goes more smooth. You see, YouTube wants to see if you're going to be active. They don't want somebody on there that's not active. So consistency is key. Okay, I'm gonna walk through the market again before I end the stream. Yeah, let me go. Some I go this way, or some I go. Oh yes, and engagement. That's very true. Consistent. If you're just consistent. I mean, the strange thing about YouTube is. Good evening, my friend. Good evening. You can get so much views and then the next day it's nothing. YouTube can be a very funny thing to master. But I say just be consistent. Keep on doing what you do. Don't stop. There's a crowd for every channel there. You just have to find it. You just have to find it. Once you have your crowd, that's good. YouTube does the rest. Just don't quit. Oh no, it seems like it's gonna rain now. Oh yeah, but it's almost dark. I think it's probably almost 6. So yeah, I won't end the stream very quickly. Probably in the next 15 minutes. But I want to show you something. Oh yes, the irons is Roveria irons. That's where I'm going. Okay, I'm just walking through here. I want to show you the beach area. This is our wet market. And I think this is where I want to end the stream after I show you this. Oh, that's very nice. That's very kind of him. I've never received a package from anybody before. Yeah. I've never received a package before. Hopefully one day it would be nice to receive a package from someone. Okay, Eva, you see there in the distance, that's Daru Anak. Now that's our Yorong Island that we have here in Pasacao. It is quite beautiful. The water around it is absolutely beautiful. You can actually go and snorkel and do things. And then, yeah, this is the ocean nearby us. Now I don't stay in Pasacao, I stay in Karanan. It is on the opposite of those mountains. But yeah, it's beautiful. And that's there Yorong Beach that they have there. Yeah, it is quite beautiful. I see it's low tide now. Yeah, but Chris seems like a very nice person. Very kind. Ah, where is your hubby's place? Where was he born? Oh yes, yes, the bunker. I do enjoy to go on the bunker though, it's very nice. Let's see how they keep up me. Yeah, I enjoy the bunker. I always go in the bunker when I get an opportunity. Let me have a seat here for a second before I end the stream. Okay. Oh, that's very nice. That's very nice. Do you have like a coconut farm or something? Make some copra. I would enjoy to have a piece of land here where I can just stay. What is the surname of your husband? Oh, Kamoti, Mango, Araza. Oh yeah, I haven't met anybody with that surname. So, in which area was your husband born? Like, what's the area's name? Maybe I know it. Ah, copra. Yes. I enjoy the copra. And Eva, it's very nice of you to be part of my stream. It's much appreciated. Piro Duran. Okay, I haven't been there. I need to see where that is, and I need to go there. Piro Duran. Hey, how are you, my friend? How are you today?
What is that?
It's a paracetamol. I've got a headache. Did you go to school today?
Yes.
That's good.
What you doing?
I'm making a video.
Where you?
I'm going home now. In the next 10 minutes.
Where?
Karanan. You know where's Karanan? Yeah. What game is that you're playing there?
What?
What game are you playing?
I don't know. That's balls.
Ah, okay, very nice. The kids always come to me and say hi. I always buy them a burger. A Big Mac. Yeah, I will definitely go to that area. I will go on the Google Maps and I'll see where it is. Honestly, I've never heard of it, so yeah, but I won't go. Eva, I will definitely have to end the stream very soon. It's getting dark. Advent Kuya family name, lots of them knows in Pasacao place. Advent Kuya family name. I will definitely ask for that. Advent Kuya family name, lots of them knows in Pasacao. Okay. I will have to remember that. Advent Kuya family. I will ask around. Maybe some people know it, yes. Thank you, Eva. Thank you for being part of the channel. Do me a favor and send me a comment on one of my videos, and then I will like to go on your channel and I'll subscribe there and I'll also watch your stuff. And thank you very much. I appreciate the time, and thank you for being part of my channel. That's most appreciated. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end the stream, and I won't do a live tomorrow, probably in the village area again, so it's not gonna be in town, it's more rural. But yeah, thank you very much, Ingat, and good night, and greetings to your husband for me. Okay, everybody else that's watching, thank you for being part of the channel. I won't end the stream now, and I won't go home. So, Ingat, and good night, everybody.